Is the Aussie winter leaving your skin feeling tight and thirsty? Let's fight back with a secret weapon straight from your kitchen. We're whipping up a deeply hydrating, all-natural face mask that your skin will absolutely love. You'll need just 3 powerhouse ingredients: half a ripe avocado, a generous spoonful of Manuka honey, and 2 tablespoons of ground oats. That's it. First, in a small bowl, mash the creamy avocado until it's completely smooth and free of lumps. Next, drizzle in that liquid gold, the Manuka honey. It's not just sweet, it's a healing wonder for your skin. Now, mix in the ground oats. This will bind everything together and give our mask the perfect, gently exfoliating texture. Stir until you have a rich, luscious paste. Time for the best part. Apply it evenly to your clean, dry face, avoiding your eyes and mouth. It already feels so soothing. Now, just kick back and relax for 15 minutes. Let those natural ingredients work their magic. The avocado provides vitamins, the honey hydrates, and the oats calm any irritation. It's incredible, isn't it? Knowing the power locked inside your food can really transform how you care for yourself, both inside and out. Gently rinse with warm water and pat your face dry. Hello, gorgeous, glowing skin. Make this mask and share your experience with us. To discover the properties of food ingredients, wait for Avocado.